Guys, I'm so excited to see Chris. I'm seeing him forever.
Yeah, Chris is so good. He's like such a good part of my life. You guys too?
Definitely, man.
Yeah.
He always seems to know the right thing to say too.
I know, always. Anytime I'm having a breakdown, he's always there for me. And he always gives me such good advice.
Can I like give you guys a metaphor?
Yeah.
Okay, so like Chris walks across the street. What happens when he gets to the other side?
What?
Okay, he turns into like this magic fairy buffalo. He's just like, I know it's completely ridiculous, right? But that's just the way he makes me feel emotionally. I know.
Oh my
Magic
god.
fairy buffalo.
I love that.
Oh my gosh, there he is!
Oh,
wow, it's Mr. Wolf.
I miss you.
Give me some Chris. Yeah.
We were just talking about you.
Looking good, dude.
You
Oh,
are.
thanks.
You lost weight and everything.
Thanks. Wait, isn't Kellen supposed to be here too?
Oh, yeah, he just went to the restroom real fast.
Yeah.
Should go into it back soon.